Bonjour! Today I'll show you how to make this shiny letter on Procreate. With this tutorial, you'll learn how to easily create a 3D letter by using the selection tool, and how to add shiny glitters inside your letter and a glowing outline with the bloom effect. You can get the glitter brush and the color palette I use for free by clicking on the link just below this video. These are the canvas settings I'll be using for this tutorial. First, we are going to set the background color. Go to your layers panel, tap the background color layer and choose this brown color. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this light color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then add text. Then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. I'm going to use the Playfair display font. You can download it thanks to the link below this video. Put it in black style with a fairly large size, then tap Done. Duplicate your layer, select the bottom layer and then tap Edit Text. Choose this white color and tap this button to create the outline. Select all your letters in the Layers panel by dragging them from left to right. Tap the transformation tool icon and make them in the size you want. Now tap and hold with two fingers the letter layer. Select the layer with the outline. Tap and hold the selection tool and tap invert at the bottom of your screen. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas. It opens the copy-paste menu. If you want to learn more about the copy-paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Copy. Then Paste. And now you have your thin outline on a single layer. Let's create the 3D effect. Merge those two layers and duplicate it. Put one of them at the top of your layers panel and slide from left to right to put it in Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Select a dark color, grab the soft brush and use it on your entire letter. Tap the transformation tool icon, then reduce the letter size and move it here. Duplicate your letter. Grab this brown color and use it on your entire letter. Now place this layer at the bottom of your layers panel. Select this layer, tap on it with two fingers and then decrease its opacity. Now select this layer, tap on it and disable Alpha Lock. Tap the selection tool icon, put it in freehand mode with color field enabled, and connect the edges between the two letters. Create a new layer above, tap on it, and tap Clipping Mask. If you want to learn more about Clipping Mask, I invite you to watch this video. Grab this color and create those two edges. You can now hide or delete this layer. Now let's add gradients. Select this layer, tap Alpha Lock, and grab this brown color. Use the soft brush at the bottom of your letter. And in the middle to create gradients. Select this layer and use your brush on those parts of your layer. Now grab this light color. Create random horizontal lines inside your layer. Select this layer and add random waves inside this part of your layer. You can change the brush size. And horizontal lines at the bottom part. Merge all these layers by pitching them together. Let's apply the glitter pattern inside your letter. Tap this layer, then tap Alpha Lock. Grab the glitter brush from the Creative Vault and use it with this color. Now let's choose the colors of your glitters by using Gradient Map. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Gradient Map. You can try out the gradient maps already available. If you want to create your own, tap the plus button. Tap on the black color and select this brown color from my color palette. tap the white color and select this beige color. Tap here on the gradient and select this brown color. And tap here on the gradient and select this beige color. Now we will use the bloom effect to add glitters that light up. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Bloom. Slide to the right to see how the effect applies on your layer. For me, around 15% you can really see the effect. The first setting we are going to adjust is the size. This changes the size effect around each glitter. I would advise you to use a small size, here 10% seems pretty good. Now let's adjust the burn. This word is borrowed from the photography language. It is when the light is locally too strong. As a result, the area of the image becomes all white, so you can adjust the light strength on your glitter by adjusting this slider. And finally, you may have noticed that some glitters react to the effect and others do not. You need to adjust the transition slider to adjust the number of glitters that respond to the effect. The lower the transition, the more the darker glitters will be taken into account. Now let's add the subtle drop shadow. Duplicate this layer and tap Clipping Mask. Tap the Adjustments menu icon and select Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Then put Brightness to None. Tap the Transformation tool icon. Move your layer slightly towards the bottom. Tap the Adjustments menu icon. Tap Gaussian Blur. And add a slight blur effect. Tap on your layer with 2 fingers, then slide to the left to lower the opacity. Let's add the glow effect on your outline. Select this layer and set it to Alpha Lock. Grab the soft brush with this brown color. Draw random waves on your outline. Disable Alpha Lock. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Bloom and use it like we did earlier to add glow to your outline. Now create a new layer. Select the white color. Go to your brush library, Luminance, and select the Flare brush. Then add some flares to your letter. For the finishing touches, merge all your layers together. Tap the transformation tool icon, make sure snapping is on, and put your letter in the center of your canvas. Duplicate it. Select the bottom one. Tap the Adjustments menu icon and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Put brightness to max. Then use Bloom. create a new layer and put it at the bottom of your layers panel. Select this color from the color palette and grab the soft brush and use it in the center of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 100%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 3%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 10%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. Here's what the effect looks like with one word. If you'd like to see my entire creative process for making this artwork, let me know by signing up for my private newsletter, and you'll be the first to know when the online course will be available. So until the next one, bonsoir!